morning, everyone. Hope it's a beautiful day to start our learning. Chandini Views welcomes you all to the online class. Let's begin our session with word of the day. Today's word is winsome. And what does winsome mean? Winsome means charming. So whenever you find someone smile beautiful or charming, so whenever you find someone charming, instead of using the word charming itself, you can use the word winsome. With that, we can, start our session. Class 3, Subject English, Chapter 1, Topic, the gift. Hello friends, I'm Pooja. I'm studying in third standard. Do you know which school I'm studying in? I'm studying in Chandini View School. Have you have you seen the school? I am studying in Chandini View School. What about you? Okay, friends, let me show you my classroom. Hello, friends. Now I'm at school, and this is my classroom. You can see my friends, you can see my class, you can see my benches, you can see my desks, right? My friends are always cheerful, and we used to keep our class as tidy as possible. And sometimes it gets messy too. This is my classroom and meet my friends. Hi Pooja, how are you? I'm great, Geeta. Geeta, I have an incident to share with you. What, Pooja? What is it? Geeta, this happened a month ago. Oh, really? Tell me about it. Okay, let me share it with you. One day, I was coming back from school. I suddenly heard a faint barking dog. So, what is the faint barking dog? Can anybody tell me what a faint barking dog is? What does the word faint mean? Faint means unconscious. Faint means unconscious. So, Pooja here, when she was coming home, she suddenly saw a faint barking dog on the road. It was unconscious, but still it was, barking with little noise. It was cute, but wounded and was lying helpless on the road. What does wounded mean here? Wounded here means hurt, right? Wounded here means hurt. So as Pooja was, coming from a school, she heard a faint barking dog and she went and saw, and that is when she found that the dog was cute but wounded and nobody there was trying to help them. Geeta, you know the kind of love I have towards dogs, right? So I took it up and named it as Cutie. So what here is Pooja doing? What is the characteristics of Pooja here? Pooja here seems like a normal school-going girl, but at the same time she's kindful because she is seeing a dog on the side of the road, and she could have just left the dog and she would have went. But what is she doing here? Here she is trying to help the dog. Here she is trying to give comfort to the dog. So with this we can say that Pooja here as the characteristics such as she's kind and she's also helpful, right? Yes. So I took it up and named it as Cutie. And what is she doing? And she's picking up the dog and she's, naming it as Cutie. Pooja, the name is awesome. Pooja, was it wounded? Yes, it was wounded and nobody paid attention to it. My home. You can see a lot of houses there. You can see a lot of car. You can see garden. You can see my family, and this is what my home looks like. Since it looked very pitiful, I took it to home. So what is she doing? So since it was very, hurt, wounded, it looked very bad to her. It looked very sad. So what did she do? Out of sympathy, out of pityness, she took it to home. At first, my mother did not accept the dog, and then later she did because of me. So what is happening here? So Pooja, out of pityness, she's taking the dog to her home. And what is her mother doing there? Her mother there, she kind of accepted the dog because of Pooja, because Pooja always wanted a pet dog. She always had a thing for pet dog. So, in order to make her happy, her mother accepted. Then what happened? I took my dog to a nearby hospital and then the doctors gave treatment. And what is she doing then? After taking it home, she's straight away taking the dog to the hospital and she's making sure that the dog gets treated. Right? Isn't a good character of Pooja. She's very helpful. She is very kind towards animals, and you all should follow the same here. You should not hurt animals. Even if you see a hurt animal, try to get it treated. Okay? Nice, Pooja. You have done a great job. Thank you, Geeta. Then my dog Cutie recovered soon. Hope your cutie got attached with you now. Yes, Kita, he is very much attached to me. So you must be very happy. Yes, but after a month, I got upset seeing the newspaper. So what is happening till here? So, on her way to home from school, Pooja sees her dog and she is taking it to the home and she is getting it treated and both of them get attached. And one fine day, she sees a newspaper and she gets upset. Why is she getting upset? Let's see that. Why, Pooja? What was on the newspaper? It was an advertisement about the lost dog, and the description of the dog given in the newspaper matched exactly with that of Curie's. So, what is happening here? So, she gets upset by seeing a newspaper, and what was on the newspaper? Let's see. Lost dog. It is a 20-month-old, brown colored, and small dog. And the reward given was $2,500. And she comes across an advertisement in the newspaper, and there she sees, Curie's picture and the advertisement, given for it because it got lost by the owner, and she is devastated after seeing the newspaper. Is it so, Pooja? What did you do? Did you return Cutie to the owner? At first, I was hesitant, but at last I called the owner. Oh, that's great. I was sad. I did not take my food, and I was crying all day. Yes, Pooja, I can feel your pain. So, what is the kind of characteristic that you get from Pooja in this segment? She is honest also because she is getting attached with the dog, and one fine day she is seeing a newspaper with an advertisement on it about Cutie. Without any second thoughts, at first she feels a bit sad, but what is she doing still? She still, rings up the owner. So what is the kind of characteristics we get about Pooja here? Here it shows that Pooja is honest. Yes, my mother also advised me to give back cutie to Mrs. Fruity, and she convinced me a lot. So, who is Mrs. Fruity here? So, Mrs. Fruity is the owner of the dog who had given the advertisement in the newspaper. Okay, and you can also see that Pooja's mother also insisted on giving back cutie to Mrs. Fruity. It seems like a hard situation. Yes, it is. After hearing my mom's advice, I wanted to return Cutie to the owner. Did you call Mrs. Fruity Pooja? Yes, Geeta. I called Mrs. Fruity and informed her about the dog and gave my address too. Very good, Geeta. You did a great job. Then that evening, Mrs. Fruity had come to my home. That evening, Mrs. Fruity came to our home. Mrs. Fruity was very happy to see a dog. So till here you can see that her mother and Pooja, her mother, she convinced Pooja somehow to return Cutie to Mrs. Fruity, and you can also see that Pooja has ringed up Fruity, and Mrs. Fruity has come to visit her. And when she saw, Cutie, she was very happy. You could see that Mrs. Fruity was very happy seeing her dog. Pooja, how did you feel at that moment? I felt very bad, and I thought Mrs. Fruity is going to take Cutie with her. But you know what, Kita? Mrs. Fruity is very genuine and humble. What does genuine here means? Genuine here means very honest, and humble here means gentle. What is Pooja describing Mrs. Fruity as? She is describing Mrs. Fruity as a genuine and a humble person. Why is she calling her so? Let's see that in the upcoming slides. What, Pooja? What are you saying? What, Pooja? Yes, Geeta. You know what? She gave Cutie back to me. What are you saying? Yes, she said me, Pooja, I know you have been longing to have a pet dog. So I give you my pet dog as my gift to you. Wow, so happy, Pooja. It's such a wonderful gift. Yes, it was a wonderful gift to me. Then I say thank you to Mrs. Fruity and hugged her. So you can see Pooja describing Mrs. Fruity as gentle and humble because she gave Cutie back to her. And out of excitement and happiness, she said thank you to Mrs. Fruity and hugged her. That's good. Now I'm happy, Geeta. Class will start now. We will talk later. That's a wonderful story. Okay, Pooja, we will talk later. Hi, friends. Hope you all enjoyed my story. Do you have any doubts? Okay, we can have a short recap of the story here. So, what is happening? So, Pooja is a school-going girl, and while she was returning from school to her home, she sees a painted barking dog on the side of the door. And what is she doing? She, goes to the side of the door, and she's seeing what had happened to the dog. And from that examination, she concludes that the dog was wounded and it was so hurt and it was in a helpless condition, and nobody paid attention to it. And from then, Pooja decides to, take the dog to her home. And she takes the dog to her home, and she also convinces her mother, because she always wanted to have a pet. So in order to make her happy, her mother also accepts to take it in. And, then Pooja names it as Cutie. Okay, and since it was wounded, Pooja is taking the dog to the veterinarian, and she gets it treated. And the dog and the Pooja, they get attached. And after a month or so, she sees an advertisement in the newspaper, and she is devastated watching that. And why is it so? Uh, because in the newspaper advertisement, she could see an advertisement about a lost dog, and all the description of the lost dog matches with that of Cutie. And she was first hesitant about calling up the owner or ringing up the owner, but she listens to her mom advice, and since it is the right thing to do, she rings up the owner. And the owner's name here is Mrs. Fruity, and she attends the call, and she accepts to come and visit the home and take the dog with her. And one fine day, she comes to Pooja's home, and she was crying, and she couldn't eat food because she's going to miss Cutie, and both of them got attached. And then Mrs. Fruity comes to the house, and she is very happy seeing the dog. And that is when surprise hits Pooja. Mrs. Fruity tells her that she is going to, you know, give the dog to Pooja itself, because she always wanted a dog, right? And Pooja gets very happy. She's excited. She is jumping over the moon. And that is when, she says thank you, and also hugs Mrs. Fruity out of excitement because she gave Cutie back to her. With this, the story is over, and you can come to the conclusion that honesty always have a price. Okay, friends. Okay, friends. Bye. See you in the next class. Thank you. Take care.